Hey everybody! Yesterday you did a lesson on how to read an analog clock to the minute. Today we are going to move on to elapsed time. If you had trouble reading an analog clock to the minute, you need to keep practicing. You can find websites or apps. Let me know if you need help finding some. Let's move on to elapsed time. Here is an example. I will be using this analog clock to help me. Destiny was invited to a birthday party that started at 3:25. If it lasted for 2 hours and 10 minutes, what time will the party be over? So the first thing I'm going to do is make this clock read 3:25. So I'm at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Now I have to make it say 3:25. So 3:05, 3:10, 3:15, 3:20, 3:25. Okay, so the party is going to last 2 hours and 10 minutes. So we're just going to go a whole hour. So we're at 3:25. 4:25 and 5:25. So now we have to go 10 more minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the time that the party ends is 5:35. Pretty easy, right? So now we are going to do problems that have to do with traveling. So if I'm going to take a flight and I depart at 8:10 a.m. and it will take me 45 minutes to get there, what time will I arrive? So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a number line and put my starting time 8:10 on there. So now I have to travel 45 minutes. So with this, you have a lot of options. My advice to you is to jump by 10s or 5s or 1s at first. And the more comfortable you get with it, the more you can jump. So I need to jump 45 minutes. So I have 4 10s and 5 1s. That's pretty easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump 10. Which will make it 8:20. And then I'm going to jump another 10, 8:30. And then another 10, 8:40. Now remember, I'm jumping 45 minutes. So I've jumped 10, 20, 30 minutes. So I need to jump another 10 to make it 40, which will be 8:50. Okay, now I have 5 more minutes to go. I can jump by 1s or I can just jump by a 5. In this case, I'm just going to jump by 5. So the time that I would arrive would be 8:55. If you notice, this says a.m., so it will be 8:55 a.m. is your answer. Pretty easy, right? So let's try another one. And if you would like, you can get a piece of paper and try this with me at home. So in this problem, for flight number 2, they will depart, which means leave, at 6:40 p.m. and it will take 35 minutes to get there. We're trying to figure out what time they will arrive. So I went ahead and drew my number line, and I went ahead and put 6:40 on my number line. Now I have to jump 35 minutes. So I'm going to jump 3 10s, which will be 6:50, another 10, which will be 7 o'clock, another 10, which will be 7:10. So that's 10, 20, 30. I have to go 35 minutes. So I'm going to go 5 more, which will be 7:15. And it will be p.m. So my answer is 7:15 p.m. So I'm going to post 3 more problems up on eClass, and I want you to solve them. I want you to use a number line. I want you to draw it out, use your jumps, label it, and then write your answer. I would love it if you sent me pictures of your number lines. That would be awesome. And if you have any questions about how to do this or you're confused, please let me know, guys. All right, see you later.